Oi, Jeremy, fuck!
Hello, Billy.
Where's me fucking dinner?
That's your dinner. Right there.
Do you want to know a secret, mate?
Not really. Sit down.
Don't be a fucking smart ass, Jeremy!
Sorry.
Chicken nuggets? Where's me fucking Wheat Bix? Men only eat Wheat Bix. So, go to the club on the weekend, mate?
No, I stayed home with my plans.
Jeez, I fucking worry about you sometimes, eh, Jeremy? Fucking unsocial.
My babies are calling me. I need to go give them some TLC. Be back in a sec.
Yeah, no wuckers, mate, no wuckers. You take care of your plants. Bloody good. Oh, yes. None of me dads got wet by the coke. Oh, this one's a bit fucking soggy. Nah, I do need that. It's good fucking dark.
Are you right, mate?
Sorry, mate, sorry.
Just eat. Aren't you afraid of the consequences of smoking cigarettes?
Jeremy?
Haven't you seen the advertisements on TV about the lungs full of tar?
Don't you fucking worry about me and my lungs. Just worry about your poxy ass fucking plants. My lungs are gonna be fine, alright? Smoker's lung, delicious. My favourite.
Do you mind, mate?
What?
Don Smuck.